What's good? We're probably gonna head up to Mount Charleston right now. Apparently, according to some of my friends, it's actually snowing up there right now. So I plan on going up there today, getting some content, getting some pictures, and maybe even strapping a GoPro to my head on my way up there because there is lots of twists and turns. Obviously, I'm not gonna do nothing crazy because I'm on summer tires, and once again, it's supposed to be snowing up there. But hopefully there's some roads that we can have fun on before we reach the snow. But y'all already know I never have gas in the tank for whatever reason. So let's go get some gas. And you already know where we headed. My favorite place, Costco. I need that cheap gas in my life. I need it. It's honestly gonna be a real bummer once I do decide to go full E85 in the F80 because Costco don't got E85. We all know this. But I'm gonna take advantage of that 91 while I can. So I actually don't plan on going too high up the mountain, just for the simple fact that, one, my car is a rear-wheel drive car, and two, I am on summer tires. So I really have no business going up here right now anyway, but that's why at the first sign of snow, I'm just gonna stop and take some pictures, take some videos, and get my ass back down the mountain, because I'm not trying to be stuck up here.
Yeah, gotta roll with a chopper with a certain amount of bling.
So I actually have no idea how packed it's actually going to be up there, because it is, like I said, just now starting to snow, and so a lot of people are going up there. You just can see the mountains up there, kind of snowy. So we're going to see how snowy it actually is, but until then, let's enjoy these pools. I did want to mention that right now it's 40 degrees. Back there, probably like maybe 2 miles down the road, it was 43 degrees. And look, it just dropped to 39. So I want to see how much it drops from back there as we continue on. So it's kind of crazy. We're only about maybe 10 minutes into the road, and you can already see remnants of snow. So it looks like at one point it was snowing. I know a couple of days ago, it was like really, really cold, even like down in Vegas. So I already got my little warning, 37 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing temperatures type shit on the dash. So I really can't do much with these dudes in front of me. Might end up passing them, but it's starting to get a little more snow around. Nothing too crazy though. Alright, we're getting a little bit more snow up here. I just want to find a good spot to stop. I don't really mind if there's necessarily snow around my car, but as long as I get the snowy mountains in the background, I'll be cool with that. It looks like they actually keep the roads like pretty well salted, so I'm not as worried anymore, because you can see like the roads look super powdery from where the salt was. So ooh, this might be it, y'all. This might be it. Let's see. Sheesh. Looks pretty freaking good to me. Outside temperatures again.
NANI?
Oh shit. We low-key gotta find a way to turn around. Jesus Christ. Shit. F it.
NANI?
I'm trying to see if I'm able to see him. Alright, y'all. We're just gonna head this way. Because this is honestly a good little area to take pictures. Oh Lord, don't do that. Don't do that now. That's not what we about to do right now. I actually brought my drone out here too, so it'd be dope to get some drone shots coming up this way. Okay, it's a nice little parking area right here. I don't know why I decided to wear my Bread 11s out here. Anything for the picture, I guess, but god dang, man, I should have wore some boots or something. Look at that. Look at that. Come on now. Come on now. Damn, that shit deep. That shit kind of deep. That shit kind of deep. Maybe if we can get like right in here. Yes, sir. Come on now. You better quit playing with that boy. Better quit playing with that boy. Perfect. Dang, maybe if we could. No, that's not what we're doing. I had a really bad idea, and that's not what we're doing. So I'm actually just a little bit salty. So I came all the way up here, found the perfect spot, obviously. Wanted to get some drone shots. Went to go get my drone. So I turned on my drone, everything's good to go. You can't function the drone without the app. Went to open the app, and there's a freaking update. And I have no service up here. There's like 0 service. It's literally, on my cell phone it says SOS. So I can't download the update, therefore I can't use my drone. Damn, man, what a rookie mistake, bro. Like, come on. Like, you would think I would check stuff like that before I came up here, man, but damn. I guess regular photos is gonna have to do. All right, I'm gonna chill out just for a little bit, just because I know it's kind of hot for me right now. I don't know if that cop is actually looking for me or if he just went on about his business, but he definitely turned on his lights. But I don't know where he's at. I've been up here for a good minute taking pictures and whatnot. It's probably good to go, but you never know. I don't know if that's an undercover cop or if it's just a charger, but regardless, nah, it's definitely just a charger. He got the yellow on the bottom of the bumper. Yes, sir. RT, actually. I need to chill out with all this popping and burbling. I'm about to start an avalanche in this bit. Damn, I didn't realize how steep this was when I was coming up this way. This dude in front of me is riding his brakes, so I'm having to ride mine. So I just gotta go in a lower gear, help you slow down a little bit. But that just sounds terrible. That's where I saw that cop at, right around here. Gonna be posted up waiting for me somewhere. I'm trying to think of what I want to do to the car next. Honestly, I hate the fact that this car looks like it's an OEM Plus version of a M3. And I think the main reason why it looks like that is because of the wheels. So I have the competition wheels on it right now, but I think this year in 2024, I'm just gonna save for a really nice set of wheels, because I think getting some wheels will completely change the look of this car. Because honestly, I don't want it to look OEM plus. Like, I want it to look at least somewhat modified, if that makes sense. What do y'all think? What should be my next mod? Because I want to go with something big next. You know, I'm pretty much done with the aesthetics. I still have to do the side skirts, but those are gonna be on the way here pretty soon. So then I'll have full carbon all around the car. But then what? But obviously, most of this video is POV driving and kind of me talking to you guys through the POV. So let me know down in the comments if y'all want more videos like this. I mean, obviously there's plenty of locations in Las Vegas to do POV driving. So if this is something that you guys like to see more of, just comment down below, and so that way I can start doing more POV driving. Damn, this dude is tweaking, bro. Did you see that? That dude was tweaking, bro. I thought he was gonna stop. Like, did he not see me coming? That's crazy, man. So yeah, we're heading back down the mountain, obviously. Super bummed that I wasn't able to use the drone, just because, once again, my app wasn't updated for whatever reason. So that was a bummer, but it's all good. I think we still got some pretty good content. God damn. It was still fun, still able to get some pretty good content, some pretty good pictures. So
now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz.